Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome back to the channel Sonakshi at Neat Biology World. Today's topic I will discuss about phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora is a minor phylum. In our syllabus, Ctenophora and Hemichordata, two are minor phylum because the number of species which belong to that phylum is very less. That's why it is called minor phylum. So Ctenophora is minor phylum. The Ctenophorans are also called sea walnuts. They are also called sea gooseberries. Okay, and they are also called comb jellies. So Ctenophorans are also called sea gooseberries. We know gooseberries. In Hindi it is saying amla, right? So sea gooseberries, it is like amla. Sea gooseberries, sea walnuts. We know about walnuts. It is not like the walnut kernels. It is like the walnut, or shape is like walnut. And they are also called comb jellies. Comb jellies. Why? Comb means through which we will, it is called in Hindi kangi. So by which we can comb our hair. So that comb-like plates are present in the Ctenophorans and they are helping in locomotion. We will discuss that. Okay. So minor phylum is Ctenophora. Let's discuss about the Ctenophorans. First of all, habitat. Habitat means the place where they live, that is called habitat. So all are exclusively marine. Okay, so all the species which they live in water or marine environment. Okay, so all are exclusively marine. Coming to habit. Habit is they are or all are solitary. Means they are not colonial. They will live alone. Okay, all are solitary. Coming to level of organization. During the discussion of level of organization or basis of classification, we have discussed about the Ctenophorans. Okay, so Ctenophorans, their level of organization, they are diploblastic, right? Diploblastic, and they have tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization means there will be no organ. Group of cells will make tissues, but no organs are there. So here they are diploblastic, means they have two germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Mesoderm will be absent. Okay, mesoderm is present from platyhelminthes. Next phylum. Coming to symmetry. All are radially symmetrical. All are radially symmetrical. Once again, radially symmetrical means there are many planes which can divide the organisms into two equal halves. That is called radial symmetry. Okay, so they are all radially symmetrical. Coming to comb plates. Comb plates are actually there are 8 ciliated rows of comb plates present. If we see the comb jellies, then there will be 8 rows of comb plates. So here in each rows there will be many comb plates which will be arranged, and these comb plates are look like combs. Means as if it is the plate, there will be cilia which will come from the plates. And these comb plates will make a rows. How many rows? 8 rows of comb plates will be there. What is the function? Function is locomotion. Okay. Function is locomotion. So remember that comb plates help in locomotion. Okay. Comb plates will help in locomotion. Very, very important statement. Coming to next one. Gastrovascular cavity. In Cnidarians, we know that there will be gastrovascular cavity. In Ctenophorans, there will be gastrovascular cavity. Okay. In that cavity, the digestion will be extracellular and intracellular. Means in that cavity, there will be digestion, and digestion will be done in the cell, that is intracellular. So digestion will be both intra and extracellular. Okay. So gastrovascular cavity, they have, this cavity contains mouth, pharynx, and they have gastrovascular canals. So a system of gastrovascular canals. Okay. Coming to coordination. Coordination, we know that in the Cnidarians there will be nerve net. Similar to here, they will have nerve net. Okay. Nerve net means network of nerves. So nerve net is present. And as they are free swimming, they are not placed in a fixed position. They are free swimming. They need an organ for balancing. So statocyst will help in balancing. So here statocyst present. Okay. Reproduction, very, very important. In gastrovascular cavity, the important statement is the digestion is extracellular and intracellular. Okay. Extracellular and intracellular. Okay. Coming to reproduction. Reproduction is only by sexual means or sexual methods. So gametes will be produced and male and female gamete will reunite to make the zygote. So that kind of reproduction will be there. But you have to remember that power of regeneration, this is not the way of reproduction. But if any reason from the body part, the full organism can develop. So here power of regeneration is present. Okay. Power of regeneration is present. Now they are bisexual. Okay. So if we are discussing about the reproduction, they are bisexual. Bisexual is also called hermaphrodite, right? Hermaphrodite means male and female reproductive organs are present in the same organism. That is called hermaphrodite or bisexual. Coming to fertilization. Fertilization is external. They are living in water. So most of the water living organism will have external fertilization. Now there is exception, but here the fertilization is external. Coming to development. So here I told already power of regeneration is present. Coming to development, I'll write here. External development. Development is indirect. Means larval stage is present. Larval stage present. What is the name of the larva? Larva is called cediped larva. Okay. So name of the larva is cediped larva. Okay. Coming to next one, example. Examples are pleurobrachia, Ctenoplana. The two example which is given in NCERT. Coming to another example, I will give Bero. Okay. Another very important, so complex are present in exclusively in Ctenophorans and exclusively they are marine, and third one, they have the property to emit light. Okay. So bioluminescence. Luminescence means it is the property of an organism to emit light. So if we see in night, they will glow. So bioluminescence, in the entire phylum, only Ctenophorans will have the bioluminescence power. They can emit light, okay, by chemical reactions. So bioluminescence is present in Ctenophoran. In Ctenophorans, they are exclusively marine and they have complete 8 ciliated rows of complex. Okay. Again, I am writing here 8 ciliated rows of complex. In other phylum, we cannot find this one. So this is 3-star point and they are exclusively marine. Okay. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular. Development indirect. Fertilization is external and they have the fertilization is indirect larval development. Okay. So here we have done all the points. Coming to the after completion of every topic or every phylum, I want to give you pictures so that you can easily remember. Okay. You can see here the 8 rows of ciliated complex, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and other on the opposite side 5. So 8 ciliated. Here also you can see these are complex. Okay, complex. And you can see the picture is taken in night. So they are glowing, means there is presence of bioluminescence. So beautiful, right? They are also called sea gooseberries, sea walnuts and comb jellies. Comb jellies. Okay. So coming to, let's see what the NCERT is saying. NCERT is saying that ctenophores, commonly known as sea walnuts, as we already discussed, sea walnuts, right? Sea walnuts. And they are also called comb jellies. They are also called sea gooseberries. Are exclusively marine, means they are present only in sea water. In fresh water, they are not present. Okay. No species will be found in fresh water. Coming to radial symmetrical, we have discussed diploblastic and tissue level of organization. We have already discussed, right? The body bears external rows of ciliated complex. Okay. Here you can see, but the picture is not given clarity here. These are the rows of complex. What is the function of complex? They will help in locomotion, right? So help in locomotion. Coming to digestion, very important, extracellular and intracellular. Extracellular and intracellular. Bioluminescence, exclusively found in the ctenophorans, property to emit light. To emit light. Is well marked in ctenophorans. Sexes are not separate. Means they are bisexual, hermaphrodite, right? Reproduction takes place only by sexual means. There is no asexual reproduction. So fragmentation, fission, they will not take part in. They will only do reproduction by sexual means by production of gametes. Coming to fertilization, as I told, it is external with indirect development, means larval stages are present. Example, Pleurobrachia ctenoplana. Okay, what is the examples or what are the examples? Pleurobrachia ctenoplana. So it is a minor phylum. We have discussed all the points which has to cover for NEET, as well as I have discussed in the NCERT. Remember that in NCERT, the line, the words, the diagram, everything is important, but with proper understanding. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Okay, see you in the next video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.